Jai Ma, Jai Thakur. Any sadhaka who wants desperately to make a breakthrough in their spiritual life, who wants to upgrade themselves to the next level, for them, the sadhaka, the aspirant at least needs to have practiced meditation for a while, and they must be able to sit in one posture for at least 2 hours during their meditation. This is the first condition. The second condition is that you need to be completely cut off from society for 10 days. For 10 days, remember that. No talking with others, no phone. Phone must be completely switched off or handed over to someone else. No listening to music, listen to pravachan, reading different types of books, nothing. 10 days, it's like entering a cave for 10 days. It's like that. You have to be completely cut off from society, not participating in any social activities, not going into any groups, like having dinner together with your family. No, not even that. Nothing. Not looking at anybody, not even gesturing at anybody, and keeping completely silent for 10 days. This is the second condition. Third condition is anyone who is completely fit physically and mentally, because they need to follow a certain diet. There should be only liquid food during the day hours and very light food at night. At night 8 p.m. by 8 p.m. And during the whole day, he or she needs to take only liquid food. Like you can have milk, you can have lassi, you can have organic homemade blended fruit juices, or just water, or you can boil lentils, masoor dal or moong dal, lentils and a lot of water, and then store the water with a little bit of salt, and you can have that water during the day. That's a liquid protein source. If you can accept these conditions, only then you can do the rest. 10 days you completely isolate yourself from everything. If it's not possible at home, you can see if there is some other place available where you can stay. It would be very very beneficial if you can seek out a very spiritually charged place, not in the midst of crowds. Okay, so you isolate yourself for 10 days, and you have to keep one book with you, one book of the Adi Guru of your Sampradaya. Adi Guru, not your Guru, the Adi Guru. That is, if you are from a Kriya Yogi Sampradaya, then you have to keep one book of, say, Lahiri Mahashai of or Mahabadar Babaji, or Yukteshwar Giriji, or Yoganand Ji. Their life, their sayings, their memories, that kind of a book. Okay. If you are from Ramakrishna Mission, then you can keep Thakur's book, Kathamrit. You can keep Ma's book, Mother's, her memories, reading her memories, or you can have any book of Swamiji, any spiritual book of Swamiji, which is written or said on spiritual topic, not patriotism. Okay, you keep this one book. With whom? With the Guru energy, highest Guru energy with which you want to connect. You have to connect to the highest Guru energy with which you want to connect. You keep one book. Now, during the day hours, you have to distribute your hours of meditation, sitting for 2 hours 4 times during the day or night. Like 2 hours, sit for meditation. If you can have for longer periods also. Don't overstrain yourself. Comfortably as much as you can sit. So sit for 2 hours, then again read a little bit of that book which you have with you. Connect with that Guru energy. Think that the Guru is with you, living with you. He is keeping an watch on you, and he is helping you in your sadhana. Then again 2 hours, again a bit of relaxation, again 2 hours, again a bit of relaxation. 2 hours, 2 hours, 4 times a day. 4 twos are 8. So 8 hours of meditation, day or night, and have good amount of sleep. If you need 7 hours of sleep, 8 hours of sleep, sleep well, because the body and nervous system also needs the right amount of rest. Otherwise, if you overstrain yourself, then your nervous system, your body mind complex won't be able to handle the high energies which are being downloaded during this time. So you need to have ample amount of rest and then 8 hours of meditation, distributed meditation, and only connecting with the Adi Guru of your choice, right? This for 10 days. Having liquid diet in the morning, light food in the evening by 8 p.m. and then ample amount of rest. If you want to do a little bit of sadhana at night, okay, half an hour, 1 hour, according to your choice, according to your comfort, you do it. If you can do this consecutively for 10 days, no talking to others, no other input in your mind, no music, no bhajans, no other books, no nothing, complete isolation in a cave, like that kind of feeling, then you are bound to make a breakthrough. After that you will have some or the other kind of realization, and you will feel yourself that you have actually upgraded to the next level. So this is only for desperate and sincere sadhakas. All the best to you all, and hope you can do it successfully, at least some of you, and then in the comment section we can hear how was the experience for you. Hari Om, Jai Ma.